The ANSQUE wireless outdoor security camera kit stands out for offering local storage on the included home base, so you can record continuously without ongoing subscription costs or sending your footage to the cloud. Its full rotation pan and tilt design, combined with automatic motion tracking, gives genuinely wide area coverage that can follow a person across your yard, driveway, or porch with very few blind spots. The integrated solar panels and long-lasting battery system mean that, once mounted in a sunny spot, the cameras can effectively run around the clock with minimal manual charging or maintenance. I appreciate that the base station doubles as a dual-band wireless extender, which helps maintain a strong connection and faster wake-up times for multiple cameras spread around a typical home. Even if your home network goes down, the system keeps recording to local storage, so you still have a complete record of events without worrying about data leakage or gaps in your timeline. The companion application is straightforward to use, with simple one-touch controls to sweep the full scene, check several views at once, or switch security modes quickly when leaving or returning home.